If the discharge valve of your Dispensette S organic or trace analysis dispenser is stuck in the closed position, it will be difficult to lift the piston and it will spring back into its original position. If your instrument has a recirculation tube, set the instrument to recirculate and remove the valve lever. Slide the discharge tube housing up and pull it forward with a gentle up and down motion until it comes free. To remove the discharge valve, use the supplied installation tool to loosen the discharge valve, then complete the removal by hand. Use a pipette tip to loosen the borosilicate ball inside the discharge valve. If you do not have a pipette tip, take care not to use anything that could damage the ball or the valve. Rinse the valve with the appropriate cleaning solution and dry with a towelette to absorb any residual liquid. Test by shaking it gently. You should be able to hear and feel the ball moving inside the valve. To reinstall the discharge valve, start threading it into the valve block by hand, then complete with the installation tool. Do not over-tighten the valve. Excess force can strip the threads. Before installing the discharge tube back to the dispenser, if it has a recirculation tube present, be sure the plug is in the lower position. Then slide the discharge tube into the valve block until it's flush against the instrument. Slide the discharge housing down. If your instrument has a recirculation tube, reinstall the valve lever. If the filling valve of your Dispensette S organic or trace analysis dispenser is stuck in the closed position, the instrument will not fill. To remove the filling valve, use the supplied installation tool to loosen the valve, then complete by hand. Use a pipette tip to loosen the borosilicate ball inside the filling valve. If you do not have a pipette tip, take care not to use anything that could damage the ball or the valve. Rinse the valve with the appropriate cleaning solution and dry with a towelette to absorb any residual liquid. Test by shaking it gently. You should be able to feel and hear the ball moving inside the valve. To reinstall the filling valve, start threading into the valve block by hand, then complete with the installation tool. Do not over-tighten the valve. Excess force can strip the threads. If you have additional questions, contact Brandtech Scientific Customer Service or log on to brandtech.com. And for those from other regions, contact your local Brown representative.